Think about this. Kapag masaya ka, usually alam mo kung bakit. Kasi may magandang nangyari, na-promote ka, sinagot ka ng nililigawan mo. Kapag malungkot ka, alam mo din kung bakit. Kasi namatayan ka or may nangyaring hindi maganda, kaya ka nalulungkot. Pero usually pag galit tayo, madalas hindi natin alam kung bakit at hindi natin ma-explain kung bakit tayo galit. Sabi po dun sa binabasa ko, anger is just the tip of an iceberg. And beneath that, hiding are deeper emotions and reasons why we are angry. Minsan galit tayo kasi natatakot tayo. Natatakot tayo mawalan ng control. Minsan we're hurt dahil sa sinabi sa atin na hindi lang natin mailabas, hindi natin maintindihan kung ba't tayo nagagalit. Sometimes it's frustration na hindi natin makuha yung gusto natin. Sometimes it's insecurity that you're being criticized of something that you're doing. Sabi sa Proverbs chapter 28 verse 13, whoever conceals their sin does not prosper, but the one who confesses and renounces them finds mercy. It's time to be honest, kapatid. Bakit ka nga ba nagagalit? Now that's 1 minute, and this is Word on Weekdays.